My name is Stacey Brook and I'm the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Common Applications prompt number 4. Prompt number 4 reads, describe a problem you've solved or a problem you'd like to solve. It can be an intellectual challenge, a research query, an ethical dilemma, anything that is of personal importance no matter the scale. Explain its significance to you and what steps you took or could be taken to identify a solution. Prompt number 4 is similar to prompt number 2 in that it's meant to illuminate your methods for problem solving and give admissions a sense of what you're like when you're faced with a challenge. It also provides a few bonus opportunities for creative expression, leaving the time frame and the scale of the problem that you talk about solving wide open. You can think about anything from a more traditional obstacle you face to the small predicaments in life that challenge you to think about what you really value. You should also keep in mind that you can approach this from an aspirational perspective. It can be a problem you want to solve in the future. Think about the challenges the future might bring both personally and on a global scale. How might you be part of problem solving and progress in the future moving forward? For example, has your commitment to recycling encouraged you to start a movement that brings recycling bins into every classroom in your school? Are you bothered by the lack of opportunities for girls and women in your community, and has that inspired you to pursue an education or a career, potentially in the future, in public service? We once worked with a student who wanted to help the homeless in her community, so she started an enormous drive to collect blankets for people in need in her neighborhood. These are just some of the tactics you might use, some of the approaches you might want to think about taking to answer this question. Some other questions to ponder. When have you been proactive in attempting to affect change? What inspires you to action? What kind of mark do you want to leave on the world? Don't forget to include at least a few steps you would take to solve or that you've taken to solve your chosen problem. One last thing to mention is that it is important that the problem you solve is linked to your own personal aspirations. Remember, admissions is looking to learn something new about you, your passions, your goals through these essays. So just make sure that whatever you choose to write about, it's linked to something that admissions can really sink their teeth into in terms of getting to know you better. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We will be releasing new videos regularly, and we also have a ton of advice up on our channel already. So check us out, and we look forward to seeing you soon.